athletes, right? Yeah. Like I know for a fact, like I'm making more this year than some NBA players are going to make as a salary. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And it was my first recollection, like, holy shit, like, bro, we as entrepreneurs can really make a bag equal to rappers, to athletes, to dope boys without the risk, without the rules, and with ultimately the freedom. We don't have to show up for 82 games, right? So I think to your point, it's crazy. Like, you know, as kids, we just wanted the outcome. We didn't care what means it took. We took the easiest route. So if you're good at sports it is. If you had good lyricist ability, rapping it was. If you ain't have either one of those, you're looking at being a dope boy. So we just wanted the easiest route. And now it seems like entrepreneurship is giving us a route that we can, you know, take on our own and form our own lane. So yeah, one, I'm loving it. I'm here for it. And I can't wait to talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly behind it, because I want to give people perspective. But like, in your eyes, when did you first notice like Black entrepreneurship being cool in the Black community? Like being portrayed as like, yo, this is dope. Like, you know what I'm saying?